All right, in this video, I want to show you a new feature that Keepa just released when it comes to variations and being able to see information about variations very quickly. So if you don't know what Keepa is an awesome tool that shows you the pricing and sales rank history of almost every item on Amazon. I love Keepa. For more information about Keepa, fultonfba.com/Keepa. But here I'm on Amazon sales page for some pairs of shoes, and we can see there's tons of variations. There's so many different colors. There's so many different sizes. So let's go and take a look and see which inventory items might be selling the most, which variations of this particular shoe might be selling the most. So here is the Keepa graph for this particular pair of shoe, and there's a variations tab. We can click that variations tab, and what you can do is you can scroll over and you can see the little bar graphs that shows you the last 3 months of data when it comes to shoes being rated by customers. So if a shoe or any other type of item that's a variation is getting ratings on a consistent basis, that means it's getting sales on a consistent basis. If you want to look at the ratings, you can take a look, but you can just with your eyes see that, this one didn't get much ratings, but has recently. This one consistently gets ratings over time. This one's very slow, but gets some. And so you can kind of scroll through these and kind of see which ones. Okay, well, here's some examples of stuff that over the last 3 months, 0 ratings, except for this one right here. So you can kind of just with your eyeballs kind of see which variations, and then you can scroll back to the side and you can kind of see which variation, which color, which size is the one that is getting the most. Now, the ratings are the stars, the number of customers who've given it a star rating. The reviews are the ones who actually spend time to write out a review, a little paragraph about the shoe. So that's going to be a lot slower, so I don't really do a lot with the reviews, but I can see with the ratings that can equal sales. Another cool thing with Keepa, and especially with variations, you can click this little button right here, ratings, and it will sort them from the highest to the least. So the thing with this, I've already clicked this button over here. This button over here ranks the inventory item, the item that you're looking at, that particular parent ASIN, from the most amount of ratings to the least amount of ratings. And so you can see right there, just clicking that. Usually when you do a listing, maybe it'll be listed with just the title, and you can look over and see like, oh, some of these don't even have any information. But if you want to be able to make a quick decision to see them all, then you can take a look at and click the little ratings saying, and click that button right there that sorts it from the most ratings to the least. And of course, the ones with the most ratings are going to have the most action. But just a new little feature from Keepa, including that little graph where you can see with your own eyes. And you can also change the dates. I mean, you can change it and look at the last 30 days, and it real time updates the information. Last 7 days, last 180 days, over the last year, and you can see which inventory items in that particular ASIN, parent ASIN, is getting the most consistent sales over time, so you can know which one is worth buying and selling on Amazon. So that is hopefully a helpful video to help you when it comes to variations, especially shoes. If you're interested in more learning about Keepa is amazing, and it's got so many different features. We have a course, the Reseller's Guide to Keepa, how to use sales rank history and pricing history to make smarter sourcing decisions. Check it out, fultonfba.com/Keepa course, and it can help you be able to make better, smarter sourcing decisions so you know that the items that you're buying to resell on Amazon are going to sell and sell at the price that you expect them to sell for. If they don't take in price, you can be confident by looking at a Keepa graph because it shows you the history of a particular item on Amazon to predict the future. And of course, variations are very confusing, so hopefully this newest update with Keepa is going to help you with that. It's been all for today. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.